Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove or delete chat history on your Instagram group chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to show you how we can remove chat history from our group chat on Instagram. I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages. Okay, and these are the group chat on my Instagram, and I'm going to select one of them. For example, I'm going to remove the chat history from this group chat. So I'm gonna open it. And before I show you how we can remove the chat history, I'm going to show you the chat history or the conversation in this group chat. Okay. This is my conversation and I'm going to remove them all from this group chat. But there is no delete button or remove button. But don't worry guys, because we can still remove the conversation. If you want to remove the conversation or the chat history, you can tap and hold on the group chat you want to remove the chat history from. And you will get the delete option right here. Just click on delete to delete the group chat's conversation or chat history. Okay, and you'll get this question. And before you delete the chat, you can read the description right here. The people who messaged you can still see the conversation and can message you again unless you block them. Okay, and then once you're ready to remove it or delete it, you can click on delete and the conversation will be removed from your group chat. Okay, if you want to go back to your group chat, you just need to scroll down until you find the group chat. Or if it's difficult to find it, you can simply search for the group chat names right here. Okay, and this is the group chat I have just removed the chat history from. And now the chat history has been removed. As you can see that there is no conversation on this group chat. And remember guys that the conversation will still appear on the other group chats member. They can still see the conversation through their group chat, but the conversation has been removed from yours. Okay guys, and that's all the way to delete or remove chat history on our Instagram group chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, like your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.